Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, your go-to guide for social media tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into how you can keep a little bit of mystery on Snapchat by hiding your birthday. Whether it's for privacy reasons or just because you want to keep your special day low-key, we've got you covered. So let's get into it. So, first things first, open your Snapchat app. It's time to navigate through the digital labyrinth and find that hidden setting. So once you're on your profile page, here you'll see your snap score, your zodiac sign, and even your birthday if you haven't hidden it yet. Now we're about to make that birthday a bit more elusive. Look for the gear icon in the top right and tap it. Scroll down until you find the birthday under the My Account section. In the birthday settings, you'll notice the birthday party feature. This might sound like a blast, but it's actually what announces your birthday to the world. By default, it's turned on, but not for long. Simply switch off the birthday party toggle, and just like that, you've cloaked your birthday in secrecy. Your friends can no longer see the birthday cake emoji next to your name when the big day rolls around. And that's a wrap on keeping your birthday under wraps on Snapchat. Privacy on social media is a choice, and now you know how to make it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more social media secrets.